Here's a quick way to generate a painting based on one of your photos. Head on over to firefly.adobe.com, and you'll want to start by describing the scene in your photo. In this case, a puppy in a field of flowers with mountains in the background. Then the medium can be set after a comma. Let's start with oil painting. Once the initial image generates, it'll likely be quite different than your photo. So we'll want to upload it as the structure reference here. Then increase the strength so that it follows the scene pretty closely. You may also want to change the aspect ratio depending on the orientation you're looking for. Perfect. Let's generate again. And this time you'll notice that the outputs follow your reference image pretty closely. From here, we can jump back into the prompt and experiment with different styles, like watercolor. You can also dive into the effects section, and instead of defining your style in the prompt, you can try out a few techniques or movements, like Impressionism. And that's how you can use one of your photos to generate beautiful paintings. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to learn next, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you all next time.